Hello, financial enthusiasts. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system provider. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of credit repair unleashed, strategies for efficient merchant processing? Today, we're unraveling the intricacies of credit repair, exploring partnerships with industry giants like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and many more. With over 20 years of experience, having worked with 50,000-plus merchants, and offering 24/7 domestic U.S. support, we're here to guide you through the landscape of credit repair. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below to let us know your thoughts. Unraveling the core, credit repair merchant processing. At the epicenter of credit repair operations is the concept of merchant processing. This specialized form of payment processing caters to the unique needs and considerations of the credit repair industry. From handling client payments to ensuring compliance with industry regulations, efficient credit repair merchant processing is indispensable for businesses operating in this niche. The Payment Nexus, credit repair payment processing. Integral to the success of credit repair businesses is seamless payment processing. A robust credit repair payment processing system not only streamlines financial operations but also enhances the overall client experience. E-commerce integration, e-commerce credit card processing. Enabling businesses to accept credit cards for e-commerce, this form of processing opens avenues for online transactions, providing clients with the convenience of digital payments while ensuring the security and efficiency of the process. Navigating risk. High-risk payment processing for credit repair. Engaging in high-risk payment processing for credit repair requires specialized solutions designed to address the unique challenges associated with the industry. These solutions not only mitigate risks but also pave the way for sustainable and compliant financial operations. Breaking ground, CBD merchant account for credit repair. This tailored account, integrated with efficient credit repair payment processing, ensures smooth financial operations for businesses operating at this intersection. The Gatekeeper, credit repair payment gateway. This virtual gatekeeper connects the credit repair business to the payment processor, ensuring the secure and encrypted transmission of sensitive financial information. Credit card processing dynamics. This involves the authorization, capture, and settlement of funds through credit card transactions. A seamless and efficient credit card processing system is essential for businesses looking to provide a frictionless payment experience for their clients. E-commerce gateway for credit repair. The synergy between an e-commerce gateway and credit repair merchant processing is instrumental in driving the success of credit repair businesses in the digital landscape. If you're looking for reliable payment solutions, check out TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide for over 20 years, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.